Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the headlight or the headlight bulb on a Chevy Captiva. This one is a 2014 model, but it's the same for all Captivas. So what you need to do is open the hood, and in order to remove the tail light, you need to remove the tail light to replace the bulb. So what you need to do, we have a few clips right here. Okay, let me show you how they work, like this one here. So you need to unscrew it, pull the center piece, and then pull the bottom piece out. Okay, you unscrew the middle piece, pull it out, and then the clip comes out. So now there is one bigger one of that kind, but it's bigger in each of the corners. One on the right side, right there. See how it works? And one on the left side, that we already removed. And from the little ones, you have one here, two on the bottom right there, one in the center piece, two right here on the bottom, and one here and one there. So it's 9 little ones and 2 big ones. So we need to pull that plastic piece out. And now, right here, we have 2 bolts for the headlight. It's identical for both left and right side. With a 10mm socket or a wrench, you take the bolts off. And there is one on the inside of the headlight, on the inner side, towards the grille. So we need to take this one off. It's again with a 10mm. It's more convenient if you use a socket, but you can do it with a wrench only. And now you need to lift the bottom side up, and it comes out of there. It's really tight fit, and if you need to remove it, you just unhook the wires right there. If you need to replace the bulbs, it has 2 bulbs. One is right there, you open the cap, and that's where one of the bulb piece, and the other one is right there to the left to open it. And this is, you just unhook it, you turn to the left, as you can see, like that. You need to unhook the cable first, like that, unhook, turn to the left, and the bulb will come out, but it's a really tight fit there. So that's where the both bulbs are for the headlight, or if you need to remove the headlight, that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching us. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.